Just over a year ago, we bought my wife's mom car. And for that past year, she's been telling me the same thing about every week. She said my car needs tint. So, in this video, we're going to be tinting my wife's car without her knowing and hopefully getting her reaction and hope she doesn't catch me in the act. I don't have a whole lot of time to do this. I have about an hour. All my kids are sleeping. She's taking a nap with my kids. So we need to go ahead and see if we can knock this out. Alright, so here's the plan. This is pre-cut tint for this car. So she wants the front two windows done and she wants a 5% brow. So in this box, or this tube, we have 5% brow and 15% tint for the front two windows to hopefully match the rear the best that we can. I am not an expert at tinting, nor will I pretend to be. So I need to pull these door panels real quick and see if we can have full access to the window since it's not frameless like my Subaru is over here. So the front brow is going to be fine because that's done in two sections because it does have the radar on the front. So let's bust open this, and I'll have this company linked down in the description box below. This company is called the Tint Effect, and you can get pre-cut tint for any make and model vehicle that you're looking for. So after the video, go check out this company, see if they have the pre-cut tint for your vehicle so you can do this yourself as well. Quick little before, factory tint, i.e. no tint. And then, probably could have went a shade lighter on that to 10%. I feel like that might be what that is, but that's way better than what it was. This is ceramic tint, so it is like 99% UV blockage and like 99 or 95% IR blockage. So this should help with the heat quite a bit as long as everything holds and looks decent and stays there. Beautiful. Now we just need to clean out outer glass, but my wife just woke up with our kids. So let me go inside, grab them. Let me see if I can get her reaction to what she's wanted for so long. As you can see, it looks really good. There's not really any defects. I mean, there's one little piece of dirt right here. But I mean, other than that, it looks phenomenal. So I'm happy with it. This side turned out a little better than the other side. Just needs a decent cleaning, and I hope she likes it. So let's go get her and let's see her reaction. Actually, you know what? Let's see if she even notices, because we're going to go on a drive to go hang out with some friends. So I'm going to put the camera in the car and see if she even notices.
Daddy was twiddling his dicker in here. No, I'm just kidding.
Another news.
What do you
See
have your
anything
camera?
different?
Yeah, your camera.
Just my camera's doing anything different in here?
No.
What's different? Microphone.
Are you recording me?
Mm-hmm.
You tinted.
Tinted.
I like it. It looks good.
I did tint it. I didn't get to the brow though, because apparently I was twiddling my dick in here, so.
Oh my god, it looks really good.
Right? Don't roll your window down.
Okay.
Not for 3 days.
Uh-oh, okay. It matches
perfectly.
It matches perfectly with the back.
Pretty close, right?
Yeah. It looks good. I want to see it from the outside again.
Looks good.
I was rushing to
I wouldn't say it's my absolute best work, but it's not bad.
It looks great. There doesn't look like there's any bubbles.
Yeah, the windows need to be clean for sure. But other than that, it's pretty well done.
There's no bubbles.
There's a couple here, but they're going to fade away with time.
Oh, I see it.
Because there's just a little bit of water in there. They'll fade away.
This one is good. Is that you were you rushing this side?
No, this is the first one I did actually.
Oh.
And it looks like shit. But
no, it doesn't look like shit. I can see there's only a little bit.
do you like it?
I do. I like it a lot. It's been a long time coming.
I know. So I was telling them you were asking for it for about a year.
I know.
Pretty
I'm
much since
excited
we
to
bought
see
it.
the brow.
Yeah, that's going to be a nice 5% brow right up there. Should look good. It's in 2 pieces, so it should be pretty easy to do. Alright, so it is the next morning, and she did seem to be pretty happy about that, so I'm very glad that we were able to do that for her. Now, let's go ahead and finish this job. We need to go ahead and put a 5% brow on the front of this car. It's probably going to go down to like here, where it meets the radar. Like I said, this does come in 2 sections when you get it pre-cut. It's just all dependent on your window and which like radar system you have. So let's hop into the car. Let's get this cleaned up, scuff pad, squeegeed, and then we can roll out the tint and make this a quick and easy job. So here's before. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's before and there's after. That looks a lot better, especially from the inside. You can just tell that obviously it's dirty, but before, after. It's going to give us a nice little sunshade for driving, and it looks decent too. Alright, well, we just wrapped up the brow. Everything looks awesome in there. Here's what it looks like from the outside. Everything's nice and symmetrical, looks good. So we did the front 2 windows and then the brow. And I'm glad we were able to surprise my wife with this. It's been something that she's been wanting for a very long time, so I'm glad we were able to do it and get it done. And it turned out really well, actually. So, like I said, 2 front windows in 15%, and then the brow in 5%. All it needs is a cleaning, but I'm going to wait until this tint fully dries to be able to clean it because I don't want to mess anything up on it or shift it or do anything like that. So we're just going to leave it as is. I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you so much. I'm going to wrap up today's video right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.